is today?
It's my birthday.
How old are you?
6.
5?
6.
4.
What do you have in your hand?
Bed.
A bed skirt?
A bed skirt.
And you got pillows?
Pillows.
And sheets?
And sheets.
And you got a lamp?
Lamp.
What else did you get?
Hannah Tana necklace and a Hannah Tana candy. Hannah Tana, what is this called?
Everything.
For your backpack?
And for my backpack and Hannah Tana crayons and Hannah Tana bracelet and Hannah Tana thing the princess clock and
What's the princess clock gonna do?
wake me up.
Boy,
Wake me up
before you go?
before I go to school.
Isn't that exciting? Don't you love going to school?